You need to do a simple but tedious task in Unreal? Not to worry, Python can help automate your workflow. Here's how to create multiple material instances. First, make sure to have the Python editor script plugin turned on. Also recommended to have the editor scripting utilities on as well. Then go into your core content folder and create a folder called Python, capital P. Inside, two .py files. Create these files by doing a .txt file and changing the extension to .py. Init, unreal.py, the core one, and our specific example, create variations.py. Python is a bit different than C++ that Unreal uses normally, but it's pretty easy to understand. Here, I make sure to put it in the toolbar. This is just preference, but it's nice to have it there. Define the class, create the actual dropdown, add our specific example, and then refresh the toolbar so it can show it. In the end, I want to be able to execute the variation script and then run all of this at startup by default, so the toolbar is always there ready upon booting the engine. For the variation one, defining our variables, the variations we want, running the logic for it, check the material exists, process each color, edge cases, and then save everything we did. At the bottom, just the helper functions we used previously to make the code a bit more clean. Now back to the game. I have here my toolbar, and then I can run it. If I delete one, I can just press it again, and it will just do it for the missing one, and so forth. I can also directly add new ones in the file and run it again without any reload. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.